All right. Welcome back to another PM episode of the Social Scavenger. I'm your boy DA, and at 6:51 in the winter time in the PM, that's like 10 o'clock on any other given day. But I saw an ad for a free motorcycle, and I figured, hey, that's a good thing. It's a 1978 Honda. And I didn't look how big it was, but the woman got right back to me and said it was free. And it says for parts, so I'm not gonna get my hopes up like I'm gonna, flip a key in this thing and it's gonna go. But it wouldn't be the first time I got something that was 4 parts and ended up being 4 awesome. Just needed a tune-up on the old carburetor, some fresh gas spark plugs, and I don't know, you know what I'm saying. So stay tuned as we go check out this Honda motorcycle on the Social Scavenger. Super cool. Looks complete. Well, she's a beaut. I'm not gonna lie, I love her already. Got it on the truck, flat tire, but I got it on there. Missing the battery. So I got the battery missing right here, but no big deal. There's a connector. Pretty easy igniter. It's like a oil, water. Is your water cooled? Really? Water cooled?